This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all. This is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore, Marathalli. We are providing IT software online and classroom training center. So we're going to start ETL tools like Azure Data Factory, Cloud ETL tool, online training. Going to start from 12th February morning 7:50 a.m. In 2024. So if you anyone interested to learn Azure Data Factory. So feel free to call this number 95381600185. So qualification is any graduation. You done BE, BTech, MTech, MCA. Still you didn't get job. You are trying job search. Try to join this Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited Bangalore. You will get job as early as possible. Like after training, 45 training duration is 45 days. So after training within 1 month you will get job. So you can highlights of this training institute like will provide you the real-time online and offline classes along with project explanation, interactive online and offline classes, recording videos after class is done. Will provide you recording videos. Okay, real-time scenarios, materials, resume preparation, mock controls, doubts and clarifications, interview questions and answers. We're explaining it. This is the highlights of this training institute. Okay, we are doing the training, consultant, outsourcing, and the software development. Mobile applications also we are developing in this institute. Uh, Feel free to reach out this office address. It's opposite of KLM Mall. So MTK Reddy Complex, Marathalli. So this is the company website and institute like www.nandinisoftware.com. Okay, so reach out this number. Thank you guys. So this is the new batch is going to start from 12th February morning 7:15 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. Okay, so feel free to reach out this guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.